Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news for all you content creators out there who've been struggling with Instagram's video quality issues. In this video, I'm going to reveal a game-changing setting that will allow you to upload high-quality videos on Instagram without any annoying compression. You know the frustration. You capture these stunning 4K or 1080p videos, and the moment you upload them to Instagram, they look like they were shot on ancient equipment. But fear not, because there's a solution, a hidden gem in Instagram settings that can transform your posts. I stumbled upon this setting recently, and it's a game changer. Stick around, and I'll guide you step by step on how to activate it, ensuring your Instagram videos maintain the same glorious quality as your original footage, whether it's from your iPhone, camera, or computer. First things first, grab your phone and go to your Instagram profile. You can access it by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're in, tap on the hamburger menu in the top right. Now go into Settings and Privacy and then scroll down to your app and media. Here's where the magic happens, open data usage, and there it is, the savior of your video quality. Media upload quality. By default, this feature is turned off, and that's the culprit behind the frustrating quality loss during uploads. It's just a matter of toggling this setting on, simple, yet incredibly powerful. And there you have it, folks. This small but mighty feature can make a world of difference, especially if you're a filmmaker, videographer, or photographer aiming for crisp and sharp content on Instagram. Turn it on, and watch your videos shine like never before on your Instagram feed. If you find this tip helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below for more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video.